So the hardest thing in crypto is actually getting early in projects and getting gains like 100x, 1000x. And there are many VC firms that are actually before you, that get in before you, and they get the actual 30x, 100x, 500x from different projects. And why? The reason is because they are investing in seed rounds, in pre-seed rounds. And for 99% of projects, there is a zero chance for you to get in early. And that's why I want to talk about this project called Solanex. And why I am bullish on this project is that they actually give you this opportunity to invest early. They are basically doing the public pre-sale round, which means that you are able to buy the token for pennies, for a few cents, not for dollars later. And this gives everyday people like you and me to invest really early. And for example, there was zero chance for you, for normal people like you and me, to invest in Ethereum early, but there are many VCs, big investors that got the Ethereum token for less than $1. And you can do your own math, because Ethereum right now is trading for around $4,000. And imagine if you have got the opportunity to buy it for $1 or $5. This means that you will be around 1000x up right now. And this project called Solanex is doing its pre-sale right now, and they have already raised more than $2 million. And why I'm bullish on this project is because you see there are these decentralized exchanges called Jupiter, Radium, and there are many more. And you can see on the total market cap and value of Jupiter and Radium, these are hundreds of millions, even $1 billion in market cap. And this particular project, Solanex, has the ability to integrate AI technologies, which means that they will make the gas fees much lower and the speeds much faster. And the fact that you can buy these tokens really early is not all. There will be actually many perks for holding these tokens, and you will get an access to many features to this upcoming decentralized exchange. That's why this is not just a token that you will be able to buy and dump later. You will be able to get many utilities for this token. Another bullish fact that this decentralized exchange will be mainly on Solana. And as you know, Solana right now is the biggest network, the biggest blockchain. And here you can see the total value locked is almost reached a new all-time high, around $9.2 billion, which is insane. And you can see we are really close to the 2021 euphoria bull run cycle top. And right now we are not even in a halfway of this crypto bull run, and you can see that TVL has already reached its all-time high. And as we all know, Solana right now is the most used blockchain, and mainly it's because all the meme coins are popping right now. The whole 2024 was all about meme coins, the biggest narrative in this current crypto bull run. And in my opinion, the meme coins will not go away in 2025 as well, because there is no reason for them to go away. People like meme coins. Meme coins are for the culture. Most of the utility tokens actually go to zero, and meme coins are just for fun. There is no utility. That's why I think many people will be still interested in meme coins. That's why don't fade Solana. And of course, this video is not a financial advice, but if you want to buy the token, you can use my link in the description and in the comment section. You will get straight to this basically website and this page where you will be able to buy this token. And you can see right now the price is increasing every 24 hours. Right now it's quite cheap. That's why the reasoning for me is that the earlier you buy, the better, because obviously the price will increase every 24 hours. And if you want to get a discount, you can use my referral link. The referral link is in the description and in the comment section. And right here, you can see their website. You can see that they have a very well-made website. You can see this is not just poor project that will be dumping anytime soon. You can see everything is so well made. Here you can see that how it is explained that AI will enhance the experience of this decentralized exchange. And the fact that AI narrative is one of the biggest narratives in the crypto space, I think this fact alone will make this project go up significantly. And I think Solanex actually solves a big problem on Solana chain. And the problem is that there are not many great decentralized exchanges. I think Jupiter and Radium are the two biggest ones and the best ones. That's why, in my opinion, Solanex will be a great competitor to these huge exchanges. And the best part is that you can use many different chains to buy this token. You can use BNB, Solana, Ethereum, AVAX, basically everything you want. So it's much easier for you to buy. And here you can see the more you buy, the bigger bonus you will get. The minimum purchase amount seems to be $97 or let's just round it up, $100. That's why you will need at least $100 to buy some tokens. And again, this video is not a financial advice, but if you think this project can disrupt the decentralized exchange space in Solana ecosystem, all the links are in the description and comment section. You can check their website, their Twitter account. You can see that they are really active on Twitter, on X. That's why do your own research before investing. And if you enjoyed this video, press thumbs up, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.